Hi everybody, my name is Oscar Oviedo. I'm from Colombia. I am a music teacher. This is the assignment for the first week of Coursera Introduction to Music Production course, and I'm going to speak about amplitude and frequency. Thank you.
Amplitude and frequency. The amplitude and frequency are two properties of a regular vibration that affect the way it sounds. Amplitude. Definition. The amplitude is the size of the vibration and determines how loud the sound is. Also, is the measure of the amount of energy in a sound wave. We have already seen that larger vibrations make a louder sound, and the shorter vibrations make a quieter sound. Waves. Definition. A wave is a periodic disturbance in a medium that carries energy from one point to another. All waves need a source and a medium of propagation. Also, is the repeating and periodic disturbance that moves through a medium from one location to another. Parts of the wave. We can distinguish four very important parts on a wave. Amplitude is the maximum displacement of the vibrating particle of the given medium from the main position. Crest. A crest is the point on a wave with the maximum value or upward displacement within a cycle. Wavelength is basically the distance between crests or troughs of a wave and is inversely proportional to frequency. Trough is the point on the medium that exhibits the minimum or downward displacement within a cycle. Types of waves. I will refer to waves based on the orientation of particle motion relates to the direction of energy propagation. In this sense, there are three different types of waves: transverse waves, longitudinal waves, and surface waves. Transverse wave. Characteristics. The displacement of the medium is perpendicular to the direction of the propagation of the wave. The source power moves up and down. The initial pulse is followed immediately by another pulse of opposite displacement. A ripple on a pond and a wave on a string are easily visualized transverse waves. Longitudinal waves. In these waves, the displacement of the medium is parallel to the direction of propagation of the wave, and the source power moves left and right. Sound waves in air are longitudinal waves. Surface wave. Characteristics. The particles of the medium undergo a circular motion. The motion of the particle tends to decrease as one proceeds further from the surface. Wave in the ocean and ripples in a cup of water are surface waves. Decibel. The term decibel is actually two words. Deci meaning 1/10 and bell named after Alexander Graham Bell, which is why the B is always written in uppercase. Definition is a logarithmic unit that indicates ratio or gain and is the measurement of sound levels. What is SPL? Is sound pressure level. Is a logarithmic measure and is measured in decibels and relates to how much acoustic energy is in the sound that you hear. The range of the audibility of the human ear is from 0 decibels to 100 decibels. If you want to control or manipulate the amplitude, you can use dynamics plugins, expanders, gates, compressors, and limiters. Frequency. Definition is the number of cycles per unit of time, and also is the speed of the vibration that determines the pitch of the sound. What is Hertz? Is a measure of frequency. 1 Hertz means 1 wave cycle per second, or 1 wave cycle from crest to crest. 10 Hertz means 10 cycles per second. Kilohertz, 1000 of hertz. Megahertz, million of hertz. Gigahertz, billion of hertz. Range of the human hearing. The range of the human hearing is approximately between 20 Hz and 20,000 Hz, or 20 kHz. 20 kHz is the threshold of hearing. Something about pitch. The sensation of a frequency is commonly referred to as the pitch of a sound. Certain sound waves, when played simultaneously, will produce a particular replacement sensation when heard, are said to be consonant. Two sounds whose frequency makes a 2:1 ratio are separated by an octave.